This beautifully renovated 1900 Victorian home blends historic charm with modern comfort, offering a rare opportunity to own a unique property in the heart of Hancock, New York. Priced at $295,000, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath residence spans 1,700 square feet and provides a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for a family home, weekend getaway, or investment property. Completely renovated in 2015, the updates enhance the home's original character while adding modern conveniences to meet today's lifestyle. Set above the East Branch Delaware River, the property boasts stunning panoramic views and direct river access. Expansive windows invite natural light to flood the home while framing ever-changing scenic vistas, creating a peaceful and inspiring environment. The location is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for kayaking, fishing, and relaxing by the river right from your own backyard. The lot, just over 10,000 square feet, provides space to enjoy nature, while still being close to the amenities of town life. Inside, the home offers a loft-like feel with an open and airy flow that's perfect for both daily living and entertaining. The floor plan includes 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor and 2 more on the 3rd, giving you flexibility for family, guests, or home office setups. All 3 bathrooms have been thoughtfully updated, providing modern finishes while maintaining the character of the home. Every detail has been designed to create a harmonious balance between style and functionality. The full walk-out basement adds valuable living space, featuring a 3rd bathroom, a dedicated laundry area, and sliding glass doors that lead directly to the riverfront. This seamless indoor-outdoor connection makes it easy to enjoy the property's natural beauty year-round. A partially finished attic provides even more versatility, whether used for storage or transformed into an additional cozy retreat. Heating is provided by an efficient oil-fueled radiant system, while public water and sewer services ensure convenience and ease of maintenance. With breathtaking views, modern updates, and direct access to one of the most scenic stretches of the Delaware River, this property delivers a unique lifestyle experience. Whether you're searching for a year-round residence, a vacation retreat, or a rental investment, this Victorian home offers exceptional value and potential. It's a one-of-a-kind opportunity in upstate New York.